start now. Alright, guys, we are gonna eat disgusting stuff. Alright, first of all, in all of our sandwiches, we got Oreo cookie, we got guacamole, we got tortilla chips, we got bologna. That's about it, alright? Because that's until, you know, later, okay? So everybody has to eat it, and who doesn't, they're chicken. Alright, so then, who will be our lucky number one? Go. Go. Okay, you have to show your mouth. Okay, hold on. Alright, as you see, one of them bites the dust. Okay, I'll go. I want to get this over. It's gonna be disgusting. Is it disgusting?
Alien, me do.
Alright. Oh! Is she gonna eat it?
Oh.
That's nasty.
Oh. I can't eat it.
Guys are like
Try it.
wimps, alright?
Let's try it, man.
This was-
Wimpy.
This one's nasty.
This was way too much, bro.
Yeah.
Alright. Wait. Just wait. Okay.